guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing a weight loss salmon steak. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hi guys, so today we are doing weight loss salmon with some beans. The recipe goes here. First we have in a pan is half a teaspoon of clarified butter, that is desi ghee. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of chawli beans and toss this well. To that I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt or salt as per your taste and half a teaspoon of black sesame seeds. Now toast this well. Once it is 70% cooked, then we would remove the flame. Once this is well done, we're going to remove it into a serving plate. Prep 2. Now we are doing a salmon steak. For that again I'm going to use less than half a teaspoon of clarified butter, that is desi ghee. To that I'm going to add my Norwegian salmon steak. I'm going to drizzle some black pepper and salt and cook the same on medium to low flame for the next 5 minutes. Add some salt. Now I'm going to flip the side and cook for another 5 minutes. And here goes our weight loss salmon steak. And this is not done. So here I'm doing an amazing dressing to go with the salmon steak and your beans. Here I have 30 grams of mashed Hass avocado. So to the avocado I'm going to add a garlic mayo. So that's about 1 tablespoon of garlic mayo, some fresh lime juice, and you're gonna mix this thing well. Lastly, you can add some salt and parsley if you want. I like it simple, so I'm gonna keep it as it is. So here I have my guacamole, which is ready to go with my salmon steak. That's my lemon garlic guacamole. Our weight loss salmon steak is ready. The benefits of the same: it is a super healthy meal loaded with protein, low in saturated fats, excellent source of fiber, and a really good source of B12. That means it makes a complete meal. If you're following a ketogenic diet or if you're following a diet which is low in carbohydrates, it's a perfect meal. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. Lastly, please share the channel with as many friends and people so that we can get all the love that you give us. Thank you so much.